guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and another video. And I hope you will be fine today. Today in this video of ours we will highlight gardening related beautiful ideas for you. Before proceeding the video, guys, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest and new upcoming videos on the channel. Notification receive timely. Guys, let's move to our today's topic: eco-friendly ideas. There are multiple ways we can participate in environmental stewardship and go green in our own little corner of the world. Eco-friendly ideas and suggestions come to the forefront every day. Many of those rules can be applied to gardening as we strive to offer smart resources for better gardening. We will share those ideas here. Fertilizers and chemicals. Since gardening is part science, making sure you have the right mix of nutrients for your plant is vital to your garden's success. Whether you choose to garden organically or traditionally, fertilizers add desirable nutrition to the soil. Understanding the number on the fertilizer package will help ensure your plants receive the proper balance they require. Guys, properly balancing the use of chemicals in your garden to fight pests is important. Also, you can option to use organic pest control methods only. To incorporate botanical insecticide or to apply synthetic pesticides. Please guys, enjoy this video at the end, and please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video. Please tell to watch the end. Guys, next is flower gardening. From annuals to perennial, flower gardening can be a word unto itself. With there you are starting flowers from seed, installing flowering plants to add a splash of color and presently to your landscape, or just trying to understand the difference between annuals and perennials. Give your garden the best possible start by checking out the flower gardening tips below. Guys, next is finding a gardening gear. Finding smart resources for better gardening is something we take very seriously here at Growing a Greener World. From the annual list of the best of the must-haves podcast products that course your paths nearly every day, we are constantly on the lookout to bring more valuable, innovative solutions to make your gardening life as enjoyable and productive as possible. Check out some of the products that have piqued our interest along the way. Guys, please subscribe my channel and give a like and leave a comment for our better guideline.
and full watch video till to end. Next is insects and pests. A beautiful garden usually attracts more than an impressed near neighbor. Only hours after planting, you may find that pests are just as taken with your garden as you are. Although there is no way to eliminate pests altogether, there are several things you can do to cut down on the number of unwanted visitors to your garden. From integrated pest management, potential insecticides, organic and synthetic pesticides, and insecticides to barrier numerous pest deterrents can be easily purchased or made. The next option is landscaping. Creating a beautiful landscape can sometimes seem like an impossible task, yet, although many landscape designs do require a large commitment of time, there are simple things everyone can to do improve crop appeal. There are a few design tips you can to do make your yard the envy of the neighborhood. New viewers, please subscribe my channel and leave a comment and give a like for our better guideline and full watch video at the end. Next option is organic gardening. The use of natural products to improve the soil and fight pests and disease are all part of organic gardening basics. By eliminating man-made and synthetic products from your gardening remain, you can create a safe and biodynamic garden. Learn why soil amendments like compost, manure, and natural fertilizers are better choices. Guys, next is seasonal gardening. No matter where you live, gardening can be a year-round activity. Even in those parts of the country where winter snow blankets the ground, gardeners are busy planning for spring and tending to plants or seedling indoor. Fall colors can be every bit as stunning as a beautiful spring border. Meanwhile, the height of gardening season, summer presents its own set to challenges. These gardening articles will teach and inspire you no matter what the session. Next is trees and shrubs. Whether you are looking for color, fragrance, fruit for your table, or simple a fast feast for the eyes, trees and shrubs can fit the bill. Trees and shrubs are vital to any well balanced garden. They add height and depth and create just the right punctuations when needed. They are available in every size and shape and include evergreens and delicious varieties. Their care and maintenance can be a bit different than that for your landscape plants or veg garden. These articles will help you get the most out of the trees and shrubs in your landscape. Guys, this video last part of vegetable gardening. You don't need a green tub or an variant to store bought veggies to enjoy your own home vegetable green garden. If you have ever tasted a freshly picked heirloom tomato or any homegrown vegetable, you know there's nothing better. Whether you are just starting a vegetable garden or looking to dig deeper, you will find plenty to helpful information here, from a vegetable gardening overview to organic vegetable gardening, harvesting techniques, pest and disease control, and much more.
Guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then please press bell icon. If you like the lesson you have seen, then share your opinion in the comment box. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Stay tuned and see you in our next